being portrayed. If you really don't believe some of these polls, well, then just go out and get out in the ground and make phone calls.
Oh gosh, I gotta go to the store tonight. I gotta go food.
Behind the biggest tax cuts in American history is who's better on the tax policy. And there, I think, I know you say John McCain, but what I wanted to raise with you, Art, is even though
I saw the
isn't going to raise taxes, my trillion-dollar deficit.
saw the candy corn.
Yeah.
It may. I have no idea what he actually will do. I mean, there's so many contradictions out here, Neil.
Here and Dad?
Yeah, the evidence over that you have to hear about this policy.
17 miles away from Mount Rushmore on Thunder.
Ball is advanced way up the field, and it's a side in for Iowa's Hawkeyes.
I was very comfortable right now. You're going to see a lot more time management, taking their time, taking the pregnant, wearing the clock down, great possession over the ball.